So first I'll start by creating a new project in Unity Hub. I'll create a very simple project and name it. Once the project is created, I'll proceed with importing the plugin into my Unity project. Now that the project is ready, I'll import the plugin. First, I need to download it from tarsec freeRASP GitHub repository. I'll go to the Unity plugin repository, open the releases section, and download the freeRASP Unity package. Once it's downloaded, I'll return to Unity Hub and locate my assets directory. I'll right-click, select Import Custom Package, and choose the freeRASP Unity package. This will import several files. Simply click on the import to complete the process. Now that I have the plugin, I'll go ahead and create a game script. I'll right-click to create a MonoBehavior script and name it Game. This will generate the corresponding C# file. To make editing easier, I'll open the project in VS Code and then open the Game.cs file. To speed things up, I'll copy and paste the sample script. The first thing is to implement a callback class. This is the threat-detected callback, and it contains several methods that will be triggered whenever a threat is detected. For example, the signature-detected callback is called when the application has been tampered with. The jailbreak-detected callback, as the name suggests, is triggered when the iOS device is jailbroken. Similarly, there are other methods for different types of threats. You can find more details in the documentation. But for this session, we'll focus on how to initialize the plugin and set the callback. To initialize, you need to provide 4 parameters. The bundle ID of your app, your Apple Team ID, a voucher email address, which will receive notifications when threats are detected. And finally, the isprot boolean flag to indicate whether the app is running in a production environment. You can find more details about each of these in the documentation. I'll save this and return to my Unity project. Now I'll go to File, Build Profiles, select iOS and click on Switch Platform. This will change the target platform from macOS to iOS. Once that's done, I'll click Export. I'll create an iOS directory, and all the exported project files will be generated under this folder. Now that the iOS app is exported, I'll open Xcode and load the project. The next step is to copy the framework file into the project and proceed with building the app. I'll go to documentation and download the task folder. I already have it on my local machine, so I'll go ahead and copy it into the Xcode project I just created. Once it's done, I'll proceed to link it. And that's it. I'll now be able to build and release the app for users. Thank you for choosing freeRASP.